Today we're going to talk about content marketing in the home improvement industry and how do you build trust and authority. And that's going to be the topic that we'll dive into today. So as we get into this, some things we'll be looking at in our conversation is that content marketing builds trust and authority. That blogging can enhance both your SEO and your customer engagement. We'll be looking at some of the downloadable resources that you can be using to generate leads. We'll talk about thought leadership and how that can increase your conversions. SEO optimization, of course, is going to be essential in everything that you do, and that content marketing is a long-term investment, and that by using outsourcing, you can save time and improve your results. And so that's going to be the focus of our discussion today. And so I appreciate you joining me. Let's dive in. Now, when we talk about content marketing, one of the things you need to understand is that marketing often takes a back seat to the actual work of home improvement. However, an effective content marketing strategy is critical to attracting new clients, building your credibility, and then just standing out from your competition. Because content marketing is more than just promoting your services. It's actually about educating, inspiring, and engaging with your potential clients. You see, a strong content strategy improves your search engine rankings, it drives traffic from social media, and it establishes trust with local homeowners who are looking for remodeling solutions. And so, as we go through this discussion, I want you to have those thoughts in the back of your mind. And so, to begin with, one of the first things you want to be thinking about is creating valuable blog content for homeowners. You see, a blog is actually one of the most powerful tools for any home improvement company. And when regularly updated, informative content is going to actually position your brand as a trusted expert, which will improve your search engine rankings and make you easier to find for those who are searching for your services. Now, the question often comes up, well, what am I going to write about? Well, here's what you need to be writing about. Your blog content should be relevant to homeowners who are considering renovation projects. And here are some great topics that you could be thinking about. Kitchen and bathroom trends. You could be talking about the latest styles, materials, and layouts that local homeowners are interested in. You could be talking about space-saving solutions because a lot of homeowners want to maximize their space, and so give them some creative ideas for doing that. You definitely want to have a before and after showcase. Give some real-life transformations because this is going to help build trust and it's going to show off your expertise. And then there's the seasonal home maintenance tips. Help keep your readers engaged all year round with just timely advice. Provide cost guides. Homeowners often want to know what is a home remodeling job going to cost. So break it down for them. And then help them avoid common mistakes. So what are the common remodeling mistakes that a homeowner needs to avoid? And once you've got those topics figured out, then you want to start optimizing for SEO, search engine optimization. Because a well-optimized blog can significantly boost your organic search traffic, and that means that's traffic you're not having to pay for advertising. Now, here's where you start. Conduct keyword research. Find those terms that local homeowners are searching for. Be sure to use SEO-friendly headlines and meta descriptions. And what that means is you want to match those up to what people are actually searching for. Be sure and structure your content with subheadings, bullet points, and internal links for easy readability and easy navigation through your website. And then, of course, add high quality images and videos of your projects. And I can't stress this enough. High quality images, good lighting, good quality images, meaning, not poor image quality, not fuzzy, not blurry, not shadows everywhere. Get the paint buckets and the rags off of the picture. You want it to be crisp and clear and well lit. And then encourage engagement with calls to action like get a consultation today or call now to schedule your estimate. And then consistently publish valuable content to help attract leads and improve your brand awareness and keep your website active in the search engine rankings. If you are haphazard in your content publishing, meaning you publish today and then you don't publish again for 6 months, you're going to be self-defeating in your efforts. Next, you want to develop some downloadable resources. So go beyond your blog posts. Offer some free downloadable resources to add extra value to your potential customers. And this is going to then position you and your business as an industry leader. And here's some things you can offer. A home renovation guide. Now, this would be a step-by-step remodeling guide for kitchens, bathrooms, or even whole house renovations. You could offer a DIY home maintenance checklist to help homeowners with seasonal upkeep while keeping your brand at the top of their mind. A budget planning worksheet that would break down the costs of renovations so homeowners can plan accordingly. And then style and design lookbooks. And what this does is it would be to inspire a homeowner with curated collections of remodeling ideas. And so this is how a downloadable resource will help your business. It serves as a lead magnet, and this is its most valuable purpose because it requires a user to give you their email information in exchange for the resource. And what you want to do is build that email list. The old saying in marketing is that the money is in the list, and you constantly want to be building that list of names and emails so you can continue to market to that list over and over again. Those resources are going to enhance your brand credibility by positioning your company as the go-to expert. Those resources will also improve your SEO and your site engagement because it will keep visitors on your site longer, and Google will recognize that site engagement signal. And then it will create social media sharing opportunities to extend your reach and expand your audience even further. And when this is done correctly, downloadable resources can absolutely change your content strategy because as you're building that email list, then every time you create a new piece of content, you simply send it out to the email list and ask people to go view it or read it or interact with it, and you're raising the level of engagement and you're keeping the awareness at the top of your prospect's mind. Now, use content to establish thought leadership. And this is a big one because in the AI world of search, something that has really come to the surface is what is called topical authority. And what topical authority really is it's a fancy way of saying thought leadership. And so attracting potential customers is only half of the battle. You also have to convert those customers into paying clients. And then you've got to encourage them to become a referral source. And the way you do that is you become a trusted authority in the industry. So how do you position yourself as a thought leader or as an industry expert? Well, number one, answer frequently asked questions. Create content that addresses common homeowner concerns. A second thing you can do is you can host live question and answer sessions. Use Facebook or use Instagram and go live so you can connect with your audience in real time. Then you want to post customer testimonials and case studies. Take time to highlight the success stories from your past clients. Show that social proof. Be sure to publish industry insights and trends. Stay ahead by sharing the latest home remodeling news. And then, of course, if you are of the mind, you could even offer free consultations. Show prospects you're knowledgeable and willing to help. Now, there is debate on whether to offer free consultations or not. And I understand that based on your business model, you may not want to do that. In some ways, it's better to position yourself as an expert by charging for those consultations. So you have to decide what's the best fit for your business model. Obviously, if you're offering free consultations, you're going to have more opportunities to get in front of people. If you're charging, you're going to have fewer opportunities, but you're going to have a better quality of prospect in front of you because they've already got skin in the game. So just keep that in mind. Now remember this, educational content builds trust because you're not being salesy. Homeowners often hesitate when they're making big remodeling decisions because it's a lot of money. And so providing educational, problem-solving content helps alleviate those concerns. What you're doing is you're lowering the emotional turmoil and you're raising the confidence level. And so by positioning yourself as the go-to expert, you increase the chances of converting those leads into customers. Now, do you need an effective content marketing strategy? Well, the truth is, content marketing is not a one-time effort. It is going to require consistency, and it's going to require strategy. And many home improvement professionals struggle to balance running a business while producing regular content. And so you may need to consider whether or not you need to outsource your content marketing. And if you're too busy managing projects, it might be time to let professionals handle your content marketing. And so that's where outsourcing comes in. Because outsourcing will allow you to save time while still getting the benefits of a strong digital presence. It will ensure high quality, SEO optimized content that is tailored to your audience, and it'll allow you to focus on what you do best, delivering top-notch home improvement services. And so a well-executed content marketing strategy will generate more leads, establish credibility, and grow your brand, ultimately leading you to higher revenue and longer-term business success. So whether you're going to do it yourself or whether you're going to outsource, the real issue is not which of those you choose, it's that you still get the job done, that the content is being put out there, it's being produced, and it's being done consistently. Because content marketing is one of the most effective ways to attract, engage, and convert homeowners into clients. And so by being consistent, by creating valuable content, whether that's through blog posts, downloadable guides, or through showing thought leadership and industry expertise, you can establish trust and authority in the industry. And if you're ready to take your home improvement business to the next level and you need help designing that content marketing plan, schedule a strategy session with our team at Remodeling Marketing Team we'd be glad to help you develop that. Thanks for tuning in to this episode, and I look forward to talking with you on the next one.